Mr. President, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Sir Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and the Second Lady, the Chief of Staff, Senior Minister, Majority Leader, Ministers and Members of Parliament, the diplomatic corps are here, those who have joined us through other media all over the world, invited guests, and of course, the friends of the media. I also join my General Secretary, who had just spoken to you, to greet you and welcome you as well to this manifesto launch. If I look around, the beauty of the arrangement, the efficiency, the way we've gone about this, it's a manifestation of a government that is prepared, ready, knowledgeable, and capable of managing the affairs of this country. Thank you, Mr. President, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, and your able Vice President. About 4 years ago, it will be recalled, before the 2016 December general elections, the NPP adored its vision, policies and programs for Ghana in Accra, the trade fairs site in the manifesto. That, of course, was our social contract under the able, competent leadership of Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. We will say, and I say so with humility, but confidence, that within the 3.5 years, we have kept our faith with the people of Ghana to a very great extent. Fulfilled our promises largely. It's evidence all over the world, all over this country. And it could be seen the extent that the economy has been repaired. In spite of its messy situation, we found it. We are about to go for another election. And we are here once again, yet it's been pointed out, to adore our manifesto of a continued vision to transform the economy, to make the people strong and prosperous among the community of nations in the world. I consider it a privilege standing before you today in this great city of Cape Coast to be part of the history making in the efforts to uplift the fortunes of our people through our manifesto. This is a task that the MPP government, under the leadership and presidency of Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, has set itself. In sincerity, clarity, and focus, the party is coming out with its manifesto for the renewal of its mandate. This manifesto, dubbed the leadership of service, protection of progress, transforming Ghana for all, is what we stand to offer to the people of Ghana once again. It is an indication of how ready the MPP was 2016 and is now, and will be in the future, taking and tackling the economy, advancing good governance, and development of our country for all of us. We are therefore asking people in this country that come December 7th, based on what we say we will offer, take us seriously, and that